M5250. Today we're here at the 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Here we have the bathroom. I'll show them. So the floor is tile. We got the quartz countertop, and we also have the stand-up shower here. Right across from us is the secondary bedrooms.
Bedroom is right across the hall, which is, you know, okay. It's not right in the bedroom.
Yeah.
You can use it as a guest bedroom, bathroom, and
yes.
So these bedrooms are really good size.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, this is would be a guest bedroom, but this is a queen, but you could easily fit a California king in here, and it's floor-to-ceiling windows.
Right. And the blackout shades.
And the blackout shades, absolutely.
With the great view of Galleria.
Yes, right in front of us.
And we do have the a little mini walk-in closet.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's, you know.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, it's, you know, for a secondary guest bedroom, it's nice. And then they also, it looks like they have another closet as well.
Oh, yeah.
So, really 2 closets.
Yeah. The 2 bedroom, we're starting at 2,400, and we talk about this is great location.
Yes, it is. Yeah, that's a great price. This is a really good price. If you're on a budget, looking for a 2 bedroom in a great location, this would definitely be the ideal apartment for you.
Okay, we do have the all stainless steel appliances with the granite countertops, and of course in the open concept kitchen with the great view in front of us.
Yeah, I mean, you know, the nice thing about this, it does, the bar, breakfast bar, faces the living room, and you have nice windows there. It's a great view. So, no, it's a nice space. Definitely a nice space.
And here's the dining area.
Yeah, so a round table would probably be best in this area. I mean, you could put a small square table, but you could have, you know, enough room for a couple bar stools as well.
Right. And these are hardwood floor.
Yeah, and I believe this is real hardwood floor.
Yeah, it is hardwood floor.
Yeah, it's not the engineered wood.
Right. Oh, we do have the little balcony on the side of it.
Yeah, so let's take a look at it on the balcony and check it out. Overlooking Westheimer. Here's the Galleria to our left and directly in front of us. As you can see, Williams Trace Tower. And then directly below us is the pool. And we'll be checking out those amenities later. But as you can see, looking down Westheimer. So ideal location.
Yeah, it's really good location.
Really centrally located.
Into the primary bedroom.
Yes.
Really open space, right?
It's a great space. It is a large bedroom, another large bedroom, and this is a California king right here. And still, look how much space you have on either side of that bed, and then still plenty of room. So it's a very large as well.
Probably bigger than the other one we just saw.
Yeah, I think it is just a little bit bigger. Yeah.
And here is the bathroom. We do have the double vanities.
Double vanities, tile flooring.
Yes. And here's a garden tub that we have here.
Yeah, so a regular garden tub. It's nice. You have a tub and a shower.
Yes.
Built-in shower.
Built-in shower.
Right there. So, so yeah, not a bad space.
Yes, that's for our walkthrough, right?
Yeah, that concludes our walkthrough.
Yes.
Absolutely. This is a quick one today, guys.
Yep.
You know, it's not as high-end luxury as what we've been in before, but if you're on a budget and you have larger furniture and you're looking for a great location, you're in the Galleria, this would be an ideal location.
Yeah. Great features they have is the one we just talked about is the guest suites that they do offer here for the guests, for the residents.
Absolutely. So if you have, you know, family members coming in town and they don't actually have a limit on the maximum number of days, which a lot of places, apartments do that have that same amenity. I believe it was $150 a night.
150, yes.
So in this area, you're going to pay the same thing, but everybody's in one space. So thanks for joining us, guys. Remember to contact Vienna for all your moving needs. She will make the move seamless for you. And also leave a comment below as if this is something that you're looking for, or if you're looking for something like this in another area.
Thank you guys. Have a good one.